Hey, I'm Alex. I'm the designer of the pod, one of the founders of PurjFam. I wanted to get in touch with you because I noticed that in your posts, your Xkah is sitting kind of high, and that can affect its performance. And I want you to have as good of a smoking session as possible, that it can deliver consistently. But you can see the recommendation is you can see metal exposed. So that's how short the silicone hose segment needs to be, about 28 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch. The Xkah, once you open it and take the base out, heavily relies on outside air cooling. There's these 4 holes, and 2 of them are used to cool the pod where the tobacco is packed. You can see the light shining through one and light shining through the other. So there's outside air being mixed while you smoke. So it's a controlled leaking, you can say. And these vents are very important for the Xkah function. To demonstrate to you what happens, this is the shorter version. Okay, so when I put it on top, even if I put a lot of pressure, it will not slide down enough to block this opening. You can see it right there. I'll rotate it to show you the other side. So that opening there needs to flow. If I put it on a longer piece, which seemingly shouldn't matter, what happens is it's compliant. It will reduce in size and keep, like, protrude to block. You can see it blocks those channels. While it is possible to smoke on a longer extension, you gotta really watch out not to block those openings. And you'll see that the metal, right? Just the edge of the metal needs to be exposed. The problem is when it's so long and it's not blocking, it will heat up. It's gonna become lubricated with molasses. It might slide down on its own. After you insert the battery, it adds pressure. So what you want is to have this metal exposed, have it 28 millimeters long, and then no matter what, it will stay open. These channels will stay open for consistent smoke. I hope you found this useful, and try it out. Let me know.